Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the hazy effect. So initially you're going to want to go to Media at the top left corner, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to go up to the Effects tab, click on Video Effects, and then scroll down to Lens. And now we'll be able to find the hazy effect, click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to add it to the beginning of the clip, and we can elongate it to fit the entirety of the clip or the timeline if you have multiple clips. So now we're going to go up to special effects with the effect being highlighted, and we can mess with the blur, the horizontal blur, and the vertical blur, right? So let's say we just want to leave her face. So we continue maneuvering these effects. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.